Mbuso Khoza confirmed his return on Mkhoka the case, and that is what I want us to talk about in this video. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. But before going to the video, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. I think I'm talking on behalf of everyone when saying that we all have been waiting for this moment to come. Honestly, the rhythm world has been trying to hint to us that they are willing to bring back the character. I'm really curious on what was so difficult in bringing him back. And some of you guys even thought that I was lying when I told you that he was still going to come back. Well, I'm so relieved now since Mbuso Khoza himself came out to announce that he's coming back. He did this via Instagram, and on his Instagram account, he posted an article that was posted by Isolezo, and this post came with a caption that says, "I am not an actor but an artist who is blessed with acting opportunities. As I am turning 46 this coming weekend, I can confirm now that this marks an era that will change many things forever. I am in full agreement with my guides. I am following my calling to the fullest. And yes, I am coming back. Keep watching." I don't know about you guys, but I'm really excited that Maphalala is coming back on the show. I think we can all agree that as much as he's not good in acting, but his runs on Mkhoka will come with a lot of change, especially Umkhandlu. So, on one of my previous videos, I mentioned that Mbuso Khoza left temporarily on Mkhoka because he was off to shoot Shaka Ilembe. Well, ladies and gentlemen, those news are not verified yet. I heard from a certain source that Mbuso Khoza is going to have a very big role on Shaka Ilembe season 2, but I didn't get which character he will be playing. So if you know anything about this news, just share them on the comment section. I would really like to know whether he is really on Shaka Ilembe or not, and if he's really there, I would like to know which character he will be playing. Mbuso Khoza only announced that he's coming back to Mkhoka. He did not specify when he's going to come back or what is it that we can expect from the return of Maphalala. All he told us was continue watching the show, so I guess that is exactly what you should be doing. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So do comment in the comment section and let me know what do you think about Maphalala's return on Mkhoka. And if you enjoyed content in this video, please like, subscribe and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.